In this video, we're going to talk about the common area in the shoulder, number 6. Now, with this specific area, it actually goes right up into the armpit, all right? We're kind of following the seam of the lat and how it kind of goes up, and it actually has an interface with the serratus anterior, with the subscapularis, with the coracobrachialis, and the teres minor. It goes all the way up into the armpit. And a lot of times you just kind of roll. If you have thick lats, you can actually feel where the meat stops and the actual bones begin. That's really what you're looking for. Now, it becomes very, very sensitive because you're working up along the ribs, right? So we typically want to start with something flat like a foam roller. With this guy right here, you just kind of open up that arm so you can gain access into it and just ease into it because it becomes very, very, very sensitive as you're going up into it. Now, as you get up higher, trust me, once you get in that area at the subscap, it can get super sensitive. And so just be very judicious about it. Now, when you hit those seams, you can kind of roll front back like this just to kind of almost kind of feel like you're trying to peel the lat a little bit. With the foam roller, you're not going to do a whole lot. But if this becomes very tolerable, then you can graduate to the next guy, right? So next guy, it's going to be our Rolga. Again, see these seams right here? They're going to be doing all the damage. We just put that right in there, and now all of a sudden we have a ridge that can actually, we can use to roll through that. And as we get up higher, notice how I'm really, maybe you can't notice, I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure. This is a very, very sensitive area. The more pressure that you put on it, the more that you're gonna feel. And you want it to be tolerable. It should hurt good, not hurt bad, right? Pain does not equal progress. So we're just kind of working into that nice and easy, and then kind of rolling through there and really trying to feel, when we get up into that armpit, trying to feel the front aspects so we can kind of get in that subscap, because that's a main stabilizer for the shoulder, and so is the serratus anterior. These muscles need to be able to fire appropriately for us to really be able to retract our shoulder blades and really get us in a position for power when we're using our shoulders. So when you're doing this, you can do it 1 to 2 minutes, right? 3 or 4 times a day. And again, if you're hitting this area and all the other common areas in the shoulder, trust me, your shoulders are going to be in good health.